Okay, hi guys. We're going to do the Check Your Understanding on page 331. I believe this is the last one for the chapter. Okay. During World War II, the British found that the probability that the bomber is lost through enemy action on a mission over occupied Europe was 0.05. Okay, so let's record that. So the probability that a bomber was lost is 0.05. Assuming that missions are independent, find the probability that a bomber returned safely from 20 missions. Okay, first we have to find the probability that a bomber was safe. Well, that's just the complement of him being lost. So the probability that a bomber was safe, returned safely, is 95%, or 0.95. So after 20 missions, since they're all independent, all we have to do is, let's see, probability safe after 20 missions. Is that Kitty? Is 0.95 to the 20th power. Throwing that in the calculator, it's 0.3585. Now, if you think about this in terms of a tree, it's easy to remember, okay? So if you think about your tree, first mission, they're lost or they're safe, okay? Second mission, they're either going to be lost or safe, okay? So you figure you go through this tree to 20 different missions. This is the first mission, second mission. I'm not doing all 20 missions, but the bottom branch will be the 20 safe missions. So it'll just be 0.95 times 0.95 times 0.95 20 times. So that's why the probability of being safe after 20 missions is just 0.95 to the 20th power. Okay? All right. For number 2, it says government data shows that 8% of adults are full-time college students. So the probability of being a full-time college student is 0.08. And that 30% of adults are age 55 or older. So the probability of being 55 or older is 0.30. Now it says because 0.08... Kitty, get her in the video. Kitty.
Oh, hey, no.
Sorry. Did you get me in the video?
No, you weren't in the video.
Since 0.08 times 0.3 is 0.024, it's saying, can we conclude... Honey, you're not even looking at what I'm writing.
Leave me alone.
Since 0.08 times 0.30 is 0.024, can we conclude that about 2.4% of adults are college students 55 or older? No, we can't. These are not independent events. If the only time you can multiply, you can only multiply with independent events. That's why we could multiply the missions, because each mission was independent of the other. Full-time college students, there's a high probability that you're young, that you're in your 20s. Full-time college students in their 50s, it's a much lower probability. So these are not, these events are not independent, therefore you can't do it. Okay, so events are not, we'll get down in a second, are not independent, okay? Oh, Kitty, so that's why you can't multiply. Okay, all right, goodbye.